Tir Coed is a woodland charity. We were set up about 12 years ago, and our aim is to get local people involved in their local woodlands. We've had European funding to develop a programme primarily for young people who are not in employment, education or training. We teach them basic woodland management skills using hand tools, and we also teach them traditional woodcraft skills, so we're trying to preserve traditional crafts as well.
Tir Coed were the start of everything really in terms of my vocation, my career in woodland management and furniture making and all that sort of thing. I was working on labouring sites, just generally doing jobs that weren't fulfilling. I think the project gave me confidence and experience, and subsequently I felt happy to go self-employed. I'd learned the basic skills I needed to try and take it further, not just making things for myself, but trying to sell to a broader market.
Some of the participants who come to us are very, very low in confidence. They can hardly communicate at all when they come to us. But the journey that they take, it develops their personal skills so much that they've got a feeling of belonging somewhere and finding something that's given them a direction in life.
It can be quite difficult out in sort of rural areas, because I moved from the city to the countryside, and you do lose touch with a lot of your old friends, but this place really helped coming here. Just 2 days a week, but it's enough for me.
The European funding has really been a lifesaver for us for the past 2 years. It's helped us to retain the valuable staff we have. They've got between them about 15 years experience of this kind of work, and to lose that would have been devastating. So the European funds has helped us to sustain that, and in fact has helped us to develop our work as well, because we have been able to introduce more mentoring time with our participants, which has made a huge difference.
Well, since leaving the project, my business, if you like, has gone strength to strength. I'm busy 5 or 6 days a week now, working with groups 2 or 3 days a week and working for myself the rest of the time. Right, I'm never going to get rich in this game, but I get to spend my days doing something I love doing. I've finally found a vocation I can see myself doing for the future, and I'm making as many steps as I can to see that it does continue into the future.